The Roman Empire, a world-dominating colossus. Did you know that the Roman Empire was the largest empire in history? Spanning 3 continents at its peak, it was a force to be reckoned with, shaping the course of Western civilization. A history of conquest. The Roman Republic, founded in 509 BC, gradually expanded its territory through conquest. Over centuries, it absorbed neighboring civilizations, incorporating their cultures and traditions. By the 1st century AD, the Roman Empire had conquered most of Europe, North Africa, and parts of the Middle East. A bureaucratic masterpiece. The Roman Empire was a marvel of organization and administration. It developed a sophisticated legal system, a vast network of roads, and a highly efficient bureaucracy. The empire was divided into provinces, each governed by a Roman official. A golden age of culture and art. The Roman Empire witnessed a golden age of culture and art. Roman architects, sculptors, and engineers produced some of the most impressive works of art and architecture in history. The Colosseum, the Pantheon, and the aqueducts of Rome are just a few examples of their enduring legacy. The fall of the empire. Despite its immense power and influence, the Roman Empire eventually declined. A combination of factors, including economic problems, political instability, and barbarian invasions, contributed to its downfall. The Western Roman Empire collapsed in the 5th century AD, while the Eastern Roman Empire, also known as the Byzantine Empire, continued to exist for several centuries longer. A lasting legacy. Although the Roman Empire no longer exists, its legacy can still be seen in the modern world. Roman law, language, and culture have influenced the development of Western civilization. The ruins of Roman cities and monuments continue to inspire and fascinate people today. The Roman Empire was a remarkable achievement in human history. Its vast territory, sophisticated administration, and cultural contributions have left an enduring mark on the world. Ready to discover something new? Subscribe now.